Hi, it's Nina. Well, hello and welcome again on Now I Know channel. And today's video, we're going to talk about how to change your Gmail password. So let's get started. First, after getting the application and change your password, tap on your profile app here. Then Google account. At the top, tap personal information. And after that, scroll down till you find password. So as you see here, and as a security step, you're going to write your password or use your fingerprint to verify it's you. Tap on confirm. Now write your new password that should be strong and at least contain 8 characters. Rewrite it again to confirm your password. And after that, tap on change password. And this is it. This is how you change your Gmail password. Thanks for watching. See ya.